here we are out here with me, Philip, and Jason. Jason, we are out here taking down this greenhouse to take up to the ridge so we can get some more cool stuff happening at the ridge. All right, let's see who else we have out here working on it. We got Katie and Sean. All righty. This is going to be amazing when we get this thing reassembled at the ridge. All right, how you guys doing out here?
Good.
All right, it's Katie.
Hi.
Katie, Sean. All righty, what are we doing now? Trying to get the fabric off the roof. We got snow falling all over us on our heads. Oh, look at them.
Oh, here we go, Sean.
Oh, look. Oh, we almost had a nice little fail there. All righty, look at that. It's just coming right off. Nice. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah. All righty. Here we are after one day. We got the roof off. We got our first section down. At the end down there. Rocking and rolling. Here's Sean putting all the tools away. Out here getting the greenhouse ready to put up at the ridge. So we can get some growing going. Jason's down there has been a big help today too. Look at this. Clear skies. Got all the fabric. Got the first few sections of the arch structure out here. Got the fabric, got the fan, plastic, the vents, one of the vents, a bunch of the pipes, overhead door. Alrighty, there's Jason. Jason's been doing a great job. All right, here we got Jason. Jason's organizing tools, digging ass and taking names. All right, we've been listening to 80s pop. Oh, and our trailer blew a wheel today. Got to remember to get that fixed.